and welcome to Growing Guitar and to AlexWarrenon, Carry You Home. Okay, so I really like this song. I like the music video as well, how they dance and perform everything there. So it's nice. And yeah, let's take a look at this song. It's actually just a 4-chord song. And yeah, we're gonna use a capo on the 3rd fret. We can start with that. And we have the famous 4 E minor, C, G, and D. So that's the chords used in this song. And that is also, if you look at the music video, how he plays it. So E minor, let's go with open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. C, that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G, so G is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and the final chord D. We'll learn 2 different variations of it. First, the standard version. All right, and that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So why do we have 2 versions of it? Because this version, the standard D, is perhaps easier to get because we have fast switches between chords at some spots, and that I believe could be an easier version to go with the standard D because you are here and playing. But the D that is used in this song, and if you watch the music video there, he uses this D over here, and that looks like a C. Okay, we learned that already, but you just move the grip 2 frets towards you, so you'll land at this position. Exactly the same grip, and that gives you 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. So if you watch the intro of this tutorial, I showed you both the standard D and the D that is used in this song. It's just a slight difference between the chords, and especially when it goes this fast as this song goes with the strumming, you won't hear that much of a difference there. But it's I want to give you both ways there, and you can go with whatever D that suits you. And yeah, with that said, let's take a look at the song and the strumming. All right, so it starts with E minors. We'll have that as example illustration of the strumming. So one strum around goes like this. Okay, so that is 2 downs, and the first down of it more on the bass, and the second down more on the mid top area down here with the higher notes. So 2 downs first, and then comes up, down, up. Of course, down here on the higher strings, higher notes. So you don't have to go full ups like this. It's too much. Just turn your wrist up, down, and up. And that is one strumming around. So down, down, up, down, up. When it goes this fast as it does in this song with the strumming, it's really important that you are kind of loose in your wrist like this. You cannot have too much tension because then you will stuck between the strings and it would sound crap. So just loosen up a little bit like that and just kind of follow the rhythm here, and the hand will come along. But try to practice this one slowly first so you will get the strumming right. So and then you can gradually speed up. And if you get stuck somewhere here and there, it doesn't kill anything from the song. I mean, this is more important to switch in the right timing there, and extra down and up doesn't hurt too much when you work this much in the song as you do in this one. So anyway, let's take a look at the actual song now, starting with verse 1. So we have E minor, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, and G, 4 string rounds. So E minor 2, C2, and G4. You play that part for 3 rounds, and then in the 4th round, which is the final round in the verse play, you're gonna play E minor 2, C2, and now G2 and D2. Okay, so total of 4 rounds. The first 3 rounds, E minor 2, C2, G4, and then the final round, E minor 2, C2, G2, and D2. Okay, so one round of the 3 goes. Imagine that being the 3rd round we just played now, and then the 4th round goes. That's the 4th round. All right, that is the verse. Over now to chorus, and this is a bit faster now when it comes to changes. We're gonna play 1 string around per chord, except from the last chord. So it starts with E minor, G, C, G, C, G, and then D2. Okay, that is 1 round in the chorus. So you had E minor, sorry, 1 round. G, C, G, C, G, and D2. You play that for 2 rounds. And then you have 1 down of the following chords. This is still the chorus. E minor, D, G, D, and then you go for C, 2 strumming rounds. And that is the end of the chorus. So. And now you see you use D here very fast between the chords, so it goes like this. That tempo, that is why it's, I believe, easier to get this D, the standard D, than the D is used in this song. So instead of going, yeah, it's a lot of transitions there through the fretboard. So if you can handle it, fine. But I'm lazy, I go with the straight standard D on this point here in this song. So that is the end of the chorus. We play E minor, D, G, D, 1 down, and then C, 2 string rounds, only for that 1 round. Then comes the post-chorus part, and that is the chorus. Play the E minor, G, C, G, C, G, D. That part you play for 2 rounds as well, and that is the post-chorus part. Then over to the 2nd round out of everything, and I can just mention already, it's the exact same to play the 2nd round as the 1st round. Verse, chorus, post-chorus, everything is the same amount of time. It's gonna play everything, and after the 2nd round comes an outro. It's the chorus chords you're gonna use there, the E minor, G, C, G, but you now play just 1 down per chord. So you don't have to strum everything, you just play the 1 down per chord, and you play for only 1 round, and that is the end, the outro of this song. So AlexWarrenon, Carry You Home. Nice song, really fits guitar very well. So if you want to practice chord switches and have a pretty straightforward song with the famous 4 chords, then this is a good option. Have a good time and play tuned.